In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Gumroad and download a free product using just a few simple steps. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or a first-time user, this guide will walk you through the process of finding and redeeming cost-free items with ease. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Gumroad. Just open your preferred web browser and type in the Gumroad website URL. Once the home page loads, you'll find a variety of options and categories to explore. Gumroad is a platform used by many creators to sell products ranging from digital content like ebooks and music to physical goods. Today, our focus will be on finding a product that's free of charge. As you browse the website, keep an eye out for the specific category that fits your interest. Gumroad's user-friendly interface categorizes items efficiently, making it relatively easy to find what you're looking for. Say you're interested in digital illustrations or maybe some cool ebooks. Find the category that aligns with your interest and give it a click. For this demonstration, we'll focus on locating a product with a price tag of $0. Once you've found such an item, click on it to learn more. This action will lead you to the product's main page where you will see detailed information about what you're about to purchase. After you're satisfied with your choice, it's time to add the product to your cart. You can do this by clicking on the Add to Cart button. Even though the item is free, adding it to your cart is a standard process that helps manage all your selections. Once in the cart, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This step is crucial because it links the product you're downloading to your email, a useful way to keep track of your purchases and access your download link in the future. With your email entered, click the Get button to move forward. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the transaction has been successful. Don't worry, your email is safe and usually only used to send you the download link. Now that you've successfully completed these steps, you should see a Download button. Clicking this button will start the download process for your chosen product. Make sure to save this file to a location on your device where you can easily find it later. And that's it. You've navigated Gumroad and downloaded a free product seamlessly. With these simple steps, you're well equipped to explore more free and even purchasable items in the future. Thanks for watching and happy exploring on Gumroad.